Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So glad to start our first video. It feels forever, but it's only been a couple of weeks break, so excited to be back running the business again. So I'm just working on a bouquet at the moment with like whites, greens, yellows. I'm just going to add some lovely orange roses which are just starting to open up, so they'll look really lovely. Just really fit it out. So I've got my base and now I'm just fitting it into the gaps just to close off the center. Found the best way. So if you do have any gaps, if you've got a bigger or larger flower that can fill in the space, because sometimes it usually looks really nice in your hands and then you have a few gaps just from the spiral. Something larger is always a good fit, just to fill it in a bit more. And there's that one there. Nice and simple, just to start the day off. So just a bit of repositioning, make it seem a bit more grander, a bit more larger. Try and get everything at different heights, but got the lovely treak just hidden in there, so it's a bit more darker green, but everything else should stand out really lovely. Just move that ouster to the side a bit. There we go. Hi everyone, so glad you can join me. Sometimes simpler is better, so it's going to do a very simple, just mix for the shop. Got some lovely eucalyptus, got some aloe lilies, and then some lovely astro blooming, and a nice white. And I'm just going to go ahead and just do a simple spiral arrangement. I'm going to stick the lilies just a bit taller, just so they can open up and bloom really nicely. Then I've just got a little bit of leftover. There we go, there. Nice and simple, fast, easy. And once these start blooming, it'll look really lovely. I've had a few questions about wrapping, so I'm just going to show you a really quick, easy one that I use a lot. There's different ways of doing it, but hopefully I can get a good angle. So I'm just going to make my first fold. I'm going to bring it right up. I'm just going to place the flowers just above it. I'm going to do my first fold. Something like that. Then with this one, I'm going to fold the other way and cover the corner completely. Then when I place it on top, I'll be able to join. Then I'll start using my first tape. Fold it over, do the second tape.
Sa